Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. My name's Natasha and this week's makeup is a Halloween makeup. I'm so excited because Halloween's right around the corner. We're almost into October and I'm starting to do my Halloween makeups. This week it is Dr. Finkelstein or Finkelstein, depending on how you want to pronounce it. He is from Nightmare Before Christmas. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup, please keep watching.
Hi guys, as always I am using the strapless dress like I do in all my other videos, and I'm going to start off using white face paint on a thin brush, and I'm going to do a rough draft of Dr. Finkelstein, and I also used a reference photo to do this. And right here I am using light pink from Paradise to paint his brain. And the white paint that I use for the rough draft and also for his face and his body, it's from Fab. I haven't really used it, but I think I pretty much kind of like it. It's almost like a bone white, so it's a perfect color for him. I'm going to go ahead and paint my eyes. Normally I wait till last minute because of all the blinking and stuff, but I think it pretty much held up pretty good. For some brain detail, I'm going to use this red from Paradise and detail his little brain. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the inside of his skull, and that's what that white part is. And then for his glasses, I'm going to use this dauber that I got from Walmart, put some black face paint from Wolfe, and just put them right on the bottom of my eyes. This part here is the wheelchair, and I thought I would go ahead and try to make it almost like the photo that I saw. So I'm going to fill in behind his glasses, and then I'm going to do his mouth. This one was a really difficult thing because his mouth is so weird. I'm not even sure what he is, what kind of, if he's an animal, I don't even know. But anyways, so I decided to have his mouth open because he's usually yelling at Sally. Now for his teeth, I think I made him too even, and I think his character, they look pretty cool and, you know, kind of cute with his teeth, you know, all uneven and stuff like that. But in the photo that I decided to go with, his teeth were basically even. And I'm gonna go ahead and darken out inside of his mouth. So guys, I'm not sure if you feel like I do, but it seems like the year just begun and we're already making it into October and getting ready for Halloween. It's just crazy. But let me know what you guys are going to do and be for Halloween. It would be interesting to find out what you guys are up to. And here I am. I'm just using some Star Blend for his nose, and then I'm going to complete his glasses. As for me, I think I'll just be sitting back, waiting for the doorbell to ring and hoping that we'll get some trick-or-treaters, because we don't really get many trick-or-treaters. We get some candy and we hope that they come, and if not, we're just, I guess, lucky because then we have tons of chocolate to eat. So I'm going to go ahead and outline his jacket and most of everything, and I'm using that Wolfe Brothers black. Maybe I'll have to do a Halloween marathon. It'll be kind of fun. Sit back, wait for that doorbell to ring, and watch some scary shows. Tell me what you guys really enjoy watching for Halloween. Oh yeah, you know what we planned on doing and we talked about was actually going to Halloween Horror Nights. I live in Florida, so last year we didn't go and we really missed out because we were going almost every year and we really enjoy going to Halloween Horror Nights. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm excited now, yay. But anyways, so after I shaded inside of his skull and added some more to his skull, I'm gonna darken out the sides of my face. But wait, I forgot I wanted to add some tiny little ears. So I'm gonna use some spirit gum and stick on these cute little ears right underneath the arms of his glasses. Then I'm going to go for it and try to complete darkening out the sides of my face. and also darken up my shoulders, my neck, and inside of his wheelchair. I'm going to add some highlights and some shading all over his body and face, and also back there on his wheelchair as well. So next week's makeup is another Nightmare Before Christmas makeup. I'm really happy about that one. It turned out pretty good. And if you guys have not seen Nightmare Before Christmas, check it out. It's a really cool movie with some really awesome characters. If you want to see any of the Nightmare Before Christmas characters that I have not done, put them in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Also too, if there's any Halloween makeups that you want me to do, just let me know. And now that I'm done with the shading and the outlining and all the detail work, I'm gonna say goodbye because we're getting to the end of this makeup. I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys, and I hope you guys did too. And I hope that you guys will come back and check out my next week's makeup and all my other makeups. And I really appreciate all your support. I can't even thank you enough for just being here and encouraging me to keep going. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing. And I'll see you soon.
As always, guys, I would like to thank you for watching me do this makeup and all my other makeup. If you like this makeup, please give me a like, and if you would like to see any more of my Nightmare Before Christmas makeups, I'll put links in my description box below. I also have collaborations with other YouTubers when it comes to Nightmare Before Christmas. So, to be a part of the Only in Your Mind family, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button if you want to see any more of my makeups. And I'll see you on my next video.